Imagine pressing your gas pedal down to overtake a truck on the highway, and suddenly your car starts jerking like it is running out of breath, or the engine light pops up and you lose power right when you need it most. This is exactly what happens when your computer sees the P2125 code, which points to a malfunction in the throttle or pedal position sensor E circuit. Think of your throttle position sensor as the middleman between your foot and the engine's lungs. It's a potentiometer mounted on the throttle body that tells the powertrain control module exactly how wide open the throttle blade is. Most of the time, this is a simple 3-wire system where the computer sends a 5-volt reference, receives a signal return, and maintains a ground. When your foot is off the gas, that signal should be around 0.45 volts, and when you are floored, it hits a full 5 volt. If the computer sees a voltage that makes no sense or does not match what the manifold absolute pressure sensor is reporting, it triggers this code and might even put your car into limp mode to protect the engine. To fix this, you should grab a scan tool and watch the voltage sweep with the key on but the engine off. It should be a smooth climb without any jumps or glitches. If the numbers are stuck or erratic, check the connector for corrosion or wires that might be rubbing against the frame and causing a short. If the wiring looks solid and you have your 5-volt reference but the sensor still acts up, it is time for a new throttle position sensor. But keep in mind that some of these require a precise manual adjustment with a digital volt ohm meter to get that idle voltage exactly right before you hit the road again.